Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about efficiency in perfect competition. Okay guys, in order to understand the efficiency implications of a firm operating in perfect competition, what we are going to look at is a firm operating here in long run perfectly competitive market where they are charging a price level of PE, price equilibrium, and quantity QE down here, and this is based on profit maximization, setting marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. At this point, what we're going to comment on is two aspects of this firm's production. The first one is whether it is what's called productive efficient, and to be productive efficient, what needs to happen is this firm has to produce at the minimum of its average total cost curve. So this would be producing at minimum average unit cost of production. And what we can see over here is that at equilibrium, this firm is indeed at quantity E producing at the minimum point on its average total cost curve. So we call this the efficient scale. And the efficient scale is the lowest point on the average total cost curve as shown. Point number two is that we can judge this firm's efficiency based on allocative efficiency as well. And allocative efficiency occurs for a firm where the price level is equal to marginal cost. So what we have in this market over here and for this firm is a demand curve. What a demand curve shows is that at any point on that demand curve, the price represents the value placed on that good by consumers of the last unit produced. It represents their willingness to pay. We also have a marginal cost curve, which we are also going to term its supply curve. And at any point on this marginal cost curve, it represents the additional cost to the producer in the market of producing an extra unit. For allocative efficiency, what has to happen is both of these has to be equal to one another at the equilibrium price. So at PE over here, what we see is that indeed the marginal cost curve cuts the demand curve at one point, and this is the point of production. So we can say that this firm is allocatively efficient, is producing a price which is equal to the marginal cost. So we can say the customer is willing to pay the exact same amount as the cost of the last unit produced to the supplier. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.